everyone, I'm Katlawa and welcome back to my channel. Hello. So today I am introducing a new segment onto my channel. I am going to be calling it the Acne Skincare Guide. Okay, first up on the agenda, let's talk about skincare routines and what products you need to build a skincare routine. Today I'm going to be focusing on the morning skincare routine. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Okay, first up you're going to need some face wash. This is very important. You use your face wash to cleanse your skin. And cleansing is a very important part of acne skincare because the last thing you need when you have temperamental skin is all this excess oil and dirt clogging up your pores. And some of the ingredients you can look out for when looking for a face wash are salicylic acid, glycolic acid and benzoyl peroxide. All these ingredients are really great and efficient in treating acne. In fact, benzoyl peroxide is one of the most efficient over-the-counter acne treating ingredients that are available. So those are some of the ingredients you can look out for when it comes to buying a face wash. The next step in your morning routine is your toner, and this, I want to make it perfectly clear, that is not a must have. It's a nice to have. It's definitely very nice to have as part of your routine, but you definitely do not need it. So this one is optional, okay? But yeah, when it comes to toners, they are used as an additional step in your cleansing, so you want to make sure that you get something that will be able to remove the excess dirt and oil on your face, as well as something hydrating, and maybe you can even look for something that has a chemical exfoliant in it. And you can apply it one of two ways. You can use a cotton pad with this. You just put it on the pad and rub it on your skin, or you can go in and just put it in your palm of your hands and apply it directly onto your skin. It's really up to you. Like I said, it's definitely optional, so if you do not have a toner, don't feel bad. What is most important to remember here is that because it's an additional cleansing step, right, you can make sure that whatever your cleanser does not do, your toner does, or vice versa. Let's move on to the next step in your morning routine, and that is your serum. Again, like toners, serums are not a must-have. They are definitely great to have, especially if you have acne-prone skin. But if you are going to add this step into your routine, one thing you need to know about serums is that they are really a great way of focusing on specific skincare issues. For example, if you struggle with hyperpigmentation or scars, you can look for a brightening serum, right? And if you struggle with constant breakouts and acne, you can go for something a little bit more anti-inflammatory. And there's many more serums you can pick from. You just need to figure out what you need in your skincare routine. And I think that's one of the most important thing when it comes to just buying skincare products, period. You need to figure out what you need. And once you do, you can go through a trial and error method of figuring out exactly which one works for you. Anyway, let's move on to the next step in your morning skincare routine, and that is your moisturizer. Now this one is a must-have. You definitely need a moisturizer. Your skin needs to stay hydrated at all times, especially for us people with acne-prone skin. I mean, I've been on so many treatments that dry out my skin, and apart from just being damn uncomfortable, it's just not healthy for your skin, okay? So make sure your skin is hydrated at all times. Some of the ingredients you can look out for when it comes to buying a moisturizer are salicylic acid, glycerin and hyaluronic acid. And unfortunately, because it's not too often that you see products or moisturizers that are written for acne, you really have to look out for certain keywords. For example, if you see hypoallergenic and fragrance free, that's definitely code for acne, okay? This means that the product will not clog your pores, and this means that it's sensitive enough to use on very temperamental skin. Anyway, let's move on to the last step in your morning skincare routine, and this is one of the most important ones. Last but not least, sunscreen. SPF. You absolutely need sunscreen. Sunscreen is important because acne treatments can increase the skin's sensitivity towards the sun. So it's very important to protect your skin by using sunscreen. Another thing I don't think a lot of people know is that the sun can make your dark spots darker. Did you know that? I didn't know that until a couple years ago. But yes, that is why it's so important to use sunscreen. And when it comes to buying sunscreen, anything with an SPF of 30 and above is good to go. Alright, and that's it. That's all you need for your morning skincare routine. Let's just go through it one more time. You need a face wash, toner, serum, moisturizer, and sunscreen. When it comes to your toner and serum, definitely not must-haves. These are optional. So what you absolutely need is your face wash, moisturizer, and your sunscreen. This is because when it comes to your morning routine, you need to focus on 3 things: cleansing, moisturizing, and protecting your skin. Got it? Good. That brings us to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you found it very useful. Before I go, just one last tip. Whatever products you buy, try and make sure that as lightweight as possible, because the lighter your product, the better for your pores. Okay, that's it from me. I hope you enjoyed today's guide, and until the next video, I'm gonna see you when I see you. Peace.